The EDOU 18-inch surface cleaner kit significantly speeds up the cleaning of large areas such as driveways, patios, and decks with its dual spinning nozzles and 4 wheels. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this pressure washer surface cleaner is built to withstand tough cleaning tasks and includes flexible bristles and a built-in filter screen to keep nozzles clean. It is compatible with pressure washers ranging from 2,000 to 4,000 pounds per square inch and comes with 1/4 inch quick connect wands and 2 17-inch extension wands for added convenience. The dual high-pressure rotating jets provide exceptional cleaning power, making this surface cleaner highly efficient for a variety of surfaces. Using the EDOU surface cleaner is straightforward. Simply attach it to your pressure washer wand, adjust the pressure settings, position it flat on the surface, clean evenly, rinse thoroughly, and store dry. Manufactured by EDOU, this surface cleaner combines robust construction with impressive cleaning performance, making it a reliable tool for maintaining outdoor areas.